Hello everyone, welcome to the mathematics class by A.K. Mishra guys. So today I am going to discuss about a very important topic for you guys, and this session is very important for the class 10th student, right? So today I am going to discuss about the quadratic equation, right guys? So this is the very important for the mission 2020 students. So first of all, I will discuss in this session about the what is the quadratic equation and what are the general equation of the quadratic equation and how you can find out the roots of the quadratic equation. And root is also known as the value of x, and it is also known as the zeros of the quadratic equation, right? So students, this session is very important for you guys. So I am going to discuss about, first of all, I would like to tell you that what is the quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation, guys. What is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means it is the equation which is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, guys, right? So it is the general form. You can say that it is also the general form of the quadratic equation. Means you can say that any equation is made up of the algebraic expression connected with the plus minus, and it contains the variables and the you can say the constant, right? So in any equation the variables means, first of all I would like to inform you that what is the variables, right? So guys, I would like to inform you that the variable, there are two types of things you must know about, and you must know aware about the all two terminology. First one is the variable, right? What is the variable, guys? So first of all I would like to inform you that variable is a that things the value is not fixed, right? So the variable is a that object which is used in the quadratic equation and in any equation, but that's value is not fixed. Like you can say that uh, variable is always denoted by the small letter of the and capital letter of the alphabets a b c dot z, right? You can denotes the all these letter uh, as a variables, right guys? I hope you are getting very well. If you are having any problem, then you can comment me, and you can uh, share the any you can share the any suggestion and any problem if you are facing uh, during understanding the all the concept of all these things, right? So first of all, what is the quadratic equation? So quadratic equation, the equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where is not equal to 0, and constant. And very I have also discussed about the variables means the number which is used in the equation, that value is always vary in many cases. Like you can take the example, if you are having the equation a plus 4 equal to 10, and if you are having the another equation a plus 9 equal to 15, right? A plus 9 equal to 15. So after solving, you will get after sending from this side to the that side, right? From LHS to RHS, the sign will be opposite. So what is the sign here? So plus converted into the minus. So 10 minus 6 10 minus 4 equal to 6, right? So a plus 9 equal to 15, and yeah, yeah, or you can take the another example like a plus 9 equal to 17, and 17 or 16, and 16, and when we send this 9 into another direction, another place, from this place to the that place, right? Means from LHS to RHS. LHS means left hand side to right hand side. If you will send this number from left hand side to right hand side, right? So the sign will be changed, and 16 plus minus plus 9 converted into minus sign, and you will get the value of a equal to 7, right? So this variable value is not fixed, right? In this case you will get the value of 6, and in this case you will get the value of 7. So you can say that all these alphabets value is not fixed. So you can its value depends on the cases. So you can say that all these alphabets is denoted by the all these alphabets represent the variables, right? And next we are going to discuss about the constant, guys. So constant is a fixed term, right? Constant is a fixed term, means you can say that 1 2 3 and 4 5, all the number, all constant is denoted by the number, right? Infinites. So in any places 1 is equal to 1, 1 is not equal to 1, 1 is not equal to 2, right? So value of 1 and 2 and any number never be changed. So you can say that all these numbers is a what, all these number is a constant, guys. Are you getting my point, right? Okay, guys. So without wasting the time, I am going to discuss about what. So I have discussed about the constant, variables, and the uh, quadratic equation. So any equation is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and where a is not equal to 0, so this equation is considered as a quadratic equation. So a, b, and c are the constant, and x is the variable. So x, a is not equal to 0, right? Are you getting my point, guys? And how you can find out the value of a, b, and c? So there are so many methods, but I will discuss in this session the one method. So ax square plus bx plus c. So how can you find out the value of x, right? So first of all, you will multiply a coefficient of x square and constant a and c, and after multiplying you will get the value of ac, right? And this ac split into the two term, and after adding and after adding and after subtracting you will get the value of plus b, right? And after multiplying you will get the value of plus ac, right? So I am going to take the one example by which you can understand very well. So yes, so suppose if you are having this equation x square plus 2x plus 2, right? Or you can take the another example x square plus 3x plus 2, right? X square plus x square plus 3x plus 2, right? If you are having this equation, and you have to find out the value of x, right? So first of all you will multiply the coefficient of x square and this, right? So coefficient of x square and the constant. So what is the coefficient of x square here? Nothing, there is no term is available here. So you can say that k1 is available is as a coefficient in here. So 1 into 2 you will get the after multiplying 2, and at last you have to factorize into the two terms. and after adding you will get the value of 3x. So when we factorize to 2, and you will get the 2 part 2 into 1, you are able to write, and after multiplying you will get the value of plus 2x square, right? And after adding and subtracting you have to find out the value of 3x, right? So x square plus, and if you take the two pair, one pair, 2x plus 1x. So after adding you will get the value of 3x, and after multiplying you will get the value of 2x square. So x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 equal to 0, guys, right? I hope you are getting very well. And if you take the common x from the both these terms, you will get, after taking the x common, and there is 2x available because x square, and you can write the x square equal to x into x. So one, if we take the 1x common, and 1x is remaining here, will remain here, and here is plus 2, and in next term there is no common between these two terms, so you can take the 1 as a common, because every number contains the plus 1 is a coefficient, so you can take the plus 1. And after both the places, after taking the common, and we take the common once again into both terms, you we are having the what, x plus 2 percent, so you can take the common x plus 2 from the both these terms. So x plus 2, after taking the common x plus 2, x is left behind, and here 1 is left behind, and after that you will get the value of 0, uh, equal to 0. So at last x plus 2 equal to 0, because the two numbers multiplication is equal to 0, so it may be the one numbers is 0, this number is equal to 0, and both number may be 0, right? Because non-zero number multiplication never be 0, right? So in any of the number, if you two number in multiplication is 0, a and b is equal to 0, means a may be 0 or b may be 0, or if you a and b both are 0, right? So you can write the x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0, guys. And x equal to plus 2 goes LHS to the RHS, means we said we will send plus 2 from LHS to RHS, so this sign converted into the opposite sign, so plus converted into the minus, and here this plus converted into minus, and you will get the value is minus 1, guys. So we can write here the x equal to minus 2 and minus 1. So this, it will be the value, and it will be the zeros and the roots of this equation. So you can say that x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this and these are the 0 and roots of this equation, means if you can check this your answer, and after putting all both values, right, after putting both the value of x in this equation, you will get the 0. If you are not getting the 0 after putting this value, these all values, so you can say this this answer is wrong, right? So first of all we will check the this answer. So after putting the minus 2, so minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2, right? So minus 2 square plus, and 2 square equal to 4, and minus 6 and plus 2, 4 plus 2 6, or minus 6 equal to 0. So you can say that x equal to minus 2 is a right answer. And another answer you can check by this similar method. Write x plus 2 and put the minus 1, x equal to minus 1, so x square, so minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 guys, and plus 2 minus 1 square. You know that any negative number is power is even, so always you will get the result is in positive, right? So 1 and any 1 power anything, uh, 1 upon anything means you can say that uh, 1 have any power, 1 have any power, 1 have any degree, so you will get the result 1, because you can take the example 1 ka power 3 equal to 1, because 1 multiply the many time, and after multiplying you will get the 1 value, because we know that 1 is a multiplicative identity, right? And after multiplying 3 into minus 1, so plus minus minus, and 3 into 1 equal to 3, and plus 2, 2 plus 1 3, and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So you can see that guys both answer are right, because after putting the all both values in this equation, and you will get the answer equal to 0. We can so you can see that this is a 0 and roots of the equation, quadratic equation guys. So this is the complete information about the topics of the quadratic equation guys. So I hope you are getting very well, and if you are having any problem you can comment me, and you can share the any problem while understanding all this type of the question. So bye bye, take care, best of luck, see you in the next class. Thank you guys.